Yes, my friends, the summary of this great course is in this wonderful poster. We have this is another poster. You remember? We have poster for the analysis of the coolant. We have a poster for the oil sample analysis. We have another wonderful poster related with the codes, the OBD2 codes, the codes. And we have a new poster related with the selection of the sacrificial anodes. We are going to start with zinc. Zinc is the first one. The first one is zinc. Zinc, this is the formula for the military formula for zinc is mil A 1801K. This is the military name for that wonderful alloy. It's a zinc alloy. Okay, with the what voltage produce that alloy, that zinc alloy? The potential electrical of this alloy is minus 1.05 volts. Okay, what happened with the fiberglass hull? In fiberglass hull, the zinc anodes are recommended in salt water. In fiberglass hull. The zinc anodes are recommended for fiberglass hulls for brackish water. In both of them are recommended. In fresh water, no. In salt water and brackish water, yes. They are recommended. Sacrificial anodes in zinc alloys for fiberglass hulls. Okay, we are going to check wood hulls. And now we are going to continue with aluminum. Other wonderful alloy. That alloy is the mil A 24779SH. This is the military nomenclature for that aluminum alloy to fabricate anodes. Okay? What voltage produce that aluminum alloy? Produce minus 1.1 volt negative. Oh, it's a little better than zinc. Yeah, this is a little better. Of course, if the anode, the sacrificial anode, is less noble, it's better. This is better than zinc. It's minus 1.1 volt. Aluminum anodes are recommended in salt water with a steel hull, are recommended in fresh water with a steel hull, and are recommended in brackish water with a steel hull. Wonderful. And the fastener recommended is highly recommended is stainless steel marine grade fastener. Wonderful. Aluminum anodes until this moment are the king. Okay, we are going to start with the voltage produced. It's minus 1.6. It's the highest voltage produced. Of course, it's the less noble alloy. For that reason, you need to be careful with those magnesium alloys because in some cases produce overprotection. In some waters and some materials of hulls produce overprotection. For that reason, it's not recommended in some situations. Let me check with fiberglass. Magnesium alloys is recommended in fresh water with fiberglass hull. Perfect. In fresh water. In salt water, no. In brackish water, no. Only in fresh water.